Ito, that's what you call splitting double team. Parang soft yata yung double team ni Merwin Castelo. And using brute force, Noli Locsin getting the 2 points. Meron pa siyang bonus. At hindi na nakuha yung kanyang bonus. Ay, binigit mo yung San Fernando. Yes, very enthusiastic, very friendly people sa San Fernando. Marami tayong mga kaibigan na taga San Fernando. They were all there watching the games. Very exciting games sa Santa Lucia. Nanalo sa Mobilan by only 2 points.
Yes.
At yung San Miguel Pier naman ay tinalo yung Comelec siya.
Tinaod. Si Val David, by the way, is now in the game. At natapik niya yung bola. Tumama ang huli sa kamay ni Johnny Abarientos according to referee Garferio. By the way, pumasok na rin sa panig naman ng Alaska Milk yung kanilang second unit, si Dwight Lago at saka si Roel Gomez. Maliit na unit ito para kay
Yes,
Coach
it's a rather small unit, especially when you're playing Gomez at saka si Abarientos. But I think ang plano naman ni Coach Tim Con is to use the razzle-dazzle type of defense. When you have a small unit, that means you have a speedier lineup and you can play much better on double teaming when you have a quicker lineup.
Well, itong quickness ni Val David, ipinakita niya dito laban kay Abarientos. And this will be a very interesting matchup, itong Abarientos-David. Of course, David has been playing well in his last 2 games. At si Johnny Abarientos, 1996 MVP, will be challenged today.
Well, fresher ito si Val David because hindi siya nagmula ng buong first quarter. Cut in play at hindi pumasok kay Betty Cheng.
At si Marlo Aquino, tila nasaktan doon yung kanyang kanang siko, hinahawakan niya. Libre si Castelo, patay! Triple D conversion para kay Merwin Castelo, his first 3 points. And the lead of Alaska goes back up to 8 points, 29-21.
Partner, not a good sign that Marlo Aquino is not sprinting back on defense. Kaya he's feeling the defensive pressure. And a traveling call, 1 turnover after another for firmly in control ito si Johnny Abarientos sa kanyang laro, which is the reason why limitado ang turnovers ng Alaska.
Oh, ganda
nice
naman!
play!
And a good cut and play para kay Johnny Abarientos. Gets the basket, may kasama pang foul mula kay JB Gayoso, and this was a tremendous pass pinito sa loob.
Yes, ito si Johnny Abarientos has taken charge here for Alaska. E palagay ko nasabihin ito ni Coach Tim Con that he's got to really step up his game and he has to show the way. But beautiful pass, ha?
Dalawang cut. Yung una hindi pinasahan ni Coach Winyo. Nung medyo naglaylay na yung depensa, cut naman ito si Johnny Abarientos.
That's what you call very patient and methodical running of a play. Wala sila yung first option, hahanap sila ng pangalawang option, but still looking for the cut, still looking for the high percentage shot.
And even Coach Winyo now beginning to learn how to pass very efficiently. Samantala si Marlo Aquino patuloy ang kanyang problema sa opensa. Another miss from the inside. Castelo, libreng-libre na naman. This time, maiksi. Val David ngayon ang may dala. Naghahabol ng 11 puntos. Benny Cheng nakapasok sa gitna. And Benny Cheng is on the scoreboard with his first 2 points.
Nice handoff by Val David. Now, he's the type of player who makes things happen. He creates situations. And we're talking of the flash, si Val David.
Siyang na puntos na abante ng Alaska Milk. 9-19 ang nalalabi sa ating second quarter. Abarientos. Coach Winyo laban kay Marlo Aquino. Familiar matchup. Nakagawan si Abarientos. Picked up by Benny Cheng. Maki De Hoya ngayon. Big Mac. Binigay kay Flash. David. Pumasok sa loob. Nabitawan. Sumalit may foul. Natatawag si referee Bernarte.
Talagang impact player ito si Flash, ha? Kita of a quick player like Val David who has very, very fast hands.
Ang foul ay tinawag laban kay Coach Winyo. Si Marlo Aquino po patuloy. Nangangamote only with 2 points in the game. Matala Val David gets his first point. Partner, may tanong dito ang karamihan. Ang sinasabi nila, hindi kaya ang Alaska hindi masyadong gutom? Yung bang mahirap i-motivate yung busog eh?
Alam mo, partner, totoo yan, ha? In fact, we did mention it already earlier. A lot of pride. But they always rise up to the challenge. Now, meron silang bagong challenge. The challenge of having to win games without a Jeffrey Carrasco. Alam natin, slow starting team ito. But once Alaska's engine is back in high gear, anything can happen. Eto, something happened to Roel Gomez, charging.
Offensive foul ang ito na.
Alaska, yes, another turnover. Palagay ko, double figures na sa turnovers ang Gordon's Gin sa laro ito.
As we mentioned, their average about 18 turnovers per game. Abarientos, nilusutan si David and showing why he is the MVP ng PBA.
Sabi ni Johnny Barrientos, panghari sa point guard.
Pa. Siyampo ang bante ng Alaska Milk, 34-25. 8-13 ang nalalabi sa ating second quarter. Baldavid. Pasa sa loob. Yung inject combination. Aquino turnaround. Gets the basket.
Aquino looking for the foul. No foul given. Despite the double team powering his way. And what made that play possible was he was able to inch his way closer to the basket. But he took a second pass to Marlo Aquino inside. The first pass, he couldn't get a shot.
Offensive foul na naman. This time laban kay Potswinyo.
Yes,
And that will be
moving
number 3 now on Potswinyo.
Barrientos, ito, panurin natin.
Yun.
Yun.
May konting ika nga kalapit ng baywang. 7-point ball game, 34-27, 7:43 in the second quarter. This is only our first game, mga kaibigan. And another PBA doubleheader dito sa All-Filipino Cup PBA Sunday. Benny Cheng, lumusot. Offensive foul this time sa kabilang dako.
So, yeah, but again, Coach Tincon still relying on 3 quick and relatively small men to pair with 2 big men. And his 2 big men are Ramas and Hawkins taking the outside shot. Wala!
Another offensive rebound. Lago! Dwight Lago, isang transferee mula sa Pepsi, ay nagpakita ng kanyang unang 2 puntos. He has been very silent para dito sa Alaska Milk. Outside shot, Gayoso, triple B!
Yan ang hinahanap kay JB Gayoso. Yung bang offense from the outside when you least expect it. And alam natin na si JB is a very explosive type of player. He either hurts you or doesn't hurt you. In black and white player ito si JB. Always coming off a 2-game absence. He was hurt previously. He missed or sat out the last 2 games of Gordon's Gym. Pero si Ong had a very solid exhibition season.
Positive ang contributions ito sa Gordon's Gym. Gordon's, mga kaibigan, has had 15 points from the 3-point range. 5 triple B na sila ngayong araw na to. Nasa kalagitnaan pa lamang tayo ng laro nito. Gayoso, 1 second sa shot clock. Mauubusan na ng oras. Let's see if that will count. No, it does not count, sabi ng mga referee.
Came too late. That when they are feeling the defensive pressure, particularly on the double team, they are not quick to rotate the ball. Kung minsan, pinapwersa nila yung kanilang tira, wala namang scoring opportunity. We'll talk about that when we come back from this time out.
Yan po sa bandang norte. Ito po ang laro ng Alaska Milk at ng Gordon's Gin sa kasalukuyan. Abante ng 8 puntos. Ang Alaska Milk na nakapula doon sa mga may TV set ng black and white, yung mas darker shade ng uniforme. Samantala si Dwight Lago already with 4 points coming off the bench here.
And another 2 points off the turnover of Gordon's Gin. Yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina before the timeout, yung slow rotation ng bola. Once nagkakaroon ng double team sa ilalim ng Gordon's Gym, no? I think hindi rin siguro slow rotation ng bola, kundi slow rotation ng tao, because you have to help your teammate who is double team by coming close to him so that he can hand off the pass.
Well, right now, ang Gordon's Gin nagpapakita ng konting pasyensya sa kanilang opensa. Pinito, good outside shot mula kay Noli Locsin to cut down the lead ng Alaska to 8 points. Baseline move, Lastimosa. Whirling, wala. Rebound, napulot ni Maki De Hoya.
Ito, bibilisan ang laro ni Baldavid. Pero hindi niya kaya.
Hindi niya kaya.
Sa depensa ng Alaska, solid. Quickly set up.
Diyan kilala itong si Coach Tim Cone sa depensa niya. Libre si Vilmarong, jump shot. Hindi niya forte yan.
Partner, mabilis ang rotation ng bola that time off the double team ng Locsin. But they put the hands on a player who is not used to scoring from medium range. Si Wilmer.
All dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City po. Another huge crowd on hand para dito sa big game Alaska Milk laban sa Gordon's Gin Boars.
Partner, miscommunication. And the reason was Baldavid turned his back on the offensive player kanya nag-slide din si Bong Hawkins na hindi niya nakita.
Baldavid. Sumabit si Lastimosa.
And Marlo Aquino, bumalik na naman.
Nakuha ni David ang kanyang 2 free throw upang kapisin ang abante ng Alaska sa 8. 42-34. Under 4 minutes remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Lastimosa, nalusutan si Cayosa. Finger roll! And Lastimosa making Gayoso pay dearly dun sa kanyang depensa.
Nice curl move by Lastimosa. Ito, panurin natin. Easily moving away from JB Gayoso. Kakainin niyang buhay yung depensa ni JB Gayoso. No?
Nagmamalaki ng Cagayan de Oro, Jojo Lastimosa. Now with 10 points.
And they like that matchup, which is the reason why they set up that play for...
Alaska Milk, mintis ang tira sa labas ni JB Gayoso at napabayaan na lamang ng Alaska Milk gumulong palabas. Samantala si Johnny Abarientos will check back in. Pinutan si Merwin Castelo who did his job in his stint on the floor. Castelo scored 3 points in the second quarter.
Now yung awesome threesome ng Alaska on the floor at the same time. We're talking of Lastimosa, Abarientos, and Hawkins.
Nakapaghingan nakakuha ng pahinga yan. Ramos, hindi mahawakan ng bola. Nilabas kay Abarientos. 3-point shot!
Yun ang masakit. Yun ang masakit sa...
Mabante ng Alaska Milk. He's on close off a screen. Wala. Rebound, locks in. At may loose ball foul na itatawag. Lawan quarter. At ang Gordon's Gin, Kinito, very out of sync sa kanilang game. Hindi lamang opensa, pati depensa nila nawawala dito sa larong ito.
Well, first of all, Gordon's is not really known for its tough defense. No? It's an offense-minded team, offense-oriented. And I think alam niya ni Coach Dave Gold, which is the reason why they've tightened up their deep side.
Yes.
And yung mga turnovers ng Gordon's Gin have been transformed repeatedly into points on the other end by Alaska.
Masakit yun.
Ay, oo. Points of turnovers.
Nasa penalty na po ang Gordon's Gin. Dagdag pa sa problema nila. Abarientos binigay pa kay Bong Hawkins the extra pass. And there will be traveling charge against Bong Hawkins.
Pass a little too late.
Sumabog yung triangulo. Si Pidoren. Tapos si Pidoren sa laro. Masyadong maigsi yung tira ni Maki Di Hoya and they're really playing flat here, Kinito.
Well, they're being forced to take a lot of shots from the outside.
Si Pidoren had a big first quarter, 9 points at si Abarientos calling a 20-second timeout at iniinda niya yung kanyang kaliwang.
That has been in the rules of the PBA for many, many years. But I think it's only this season where the San Miguel coaching staff has realized that it can take advantage of this. Kanya, I see a new trend developing. Marami din siguro tayong natututunan sa mga contributions ng San Miguel coaching staff.
48-34 mga kaibigan ang abante ng Alaska Milk. 14 na puntos ang inahabol ng Gordon since si Brian Punsalan ay babalik sa laro. He started out this game para kay Coach Tim Bone. Alaska showing the sharpness it had. Oh, offensive foul na naman. This time, itinawag laban kay Bong Hawkins. Mukhang mahigpit ngayon ng mga referees dun sa offensive foul na yun, ha, Kinito. That has been consistently called in this first half at least.
But yes, you're right, no? And the referees are doing a very, very good job in tightening the calls. Makita natin, there was a near explosive altercation between Hawkins and si Castelo at saka si Nol.
Ni Kevin Ramos, unang foul yan ni Ramos. A minute and 43 na ang nalalapit sa ating second quarter. Guido Harencio had a hot hand ng unang ito pero nanlapit na to. Loksin 3-point shot. Maiksi na naman. And they have not scored in quite a while now, Pinito.
Yes. Alam mo, magandang ginagawa ng Alaska yung double teaming Marlo Aquino. They're using Brian Punsalan, whose man is Maki De Hoya, to double off him. And so they are taking a very good gamble in allowing De Hoya, who's not known to be a scorer, the open shot off the double team.
Samantala may foul doon sa pagpihit ni, of course, yung aming pong pagdalo naman dyan sa Clark or base. Sa ngalan ng aming chairman, si Mr. Bobong Velez. Salamat po. Papasalamatan na rin natin dinito si Mr. Velez. At he was a gracious host sa ating konting bakasyon kahapon.
Thank you very much, Mr. Velez, for sharing his time.
Yes, he was with us. Sama na ang kanyang anak na si Nainay. Samantala si Noli Locsin, pinanggayang pumatay, tumira. Mintis pero may foul na itinawag laban sa Alaska Milk. This will go against
to lend moral support to his teams.
And speaking of those games, yan po ang ating i-feature. Yung highlights ng dalawang out-of-town games natin, Mobiline laban sa ating Adidas halftime report. Yan po ay huwag niyong kalilimutan. Hindi makakalimutan yan ni Kinito. Of course, meron pang halftime analysis si Kinito, kaya hindi niya makakalimutan yung ating half. Hindi naman si Willie kagad napapakot. 13 puntos po Alaska Milk, under a minute remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Lago laban kay Herencio. Mas maliit si Herencio pero hindi magbibigay. Sakal! Huli si Bong Hawkins ni Marlo Aquino. Noli Locsin ngayon. Siya pa rin nagdadala. Tuloy-tuloy. Ipinasa sa labas. Reason. Tumapak sa linya. Patay!
That was not a three-point shot. Tama yung tawag. Bailadez naman was on top of that play. Alam mo, partner, that block of Marlo Aquino certainly woke the crowd up.
Oh.
Very knowledgeable ang Filipino fans. Marami nga nagsasabi, the scores have been down in the PBA and they're describing it as ugly ball and they're saying the fans are not excited anymore. I beg to disagree, ano? With good defense, you can excite the fans as much as a slam dunk on offense.
Yes, correct yan.
And the fans are now screaming, they're clapping when they see a nice double team and they pick off a pass off the double team trap. And when they see a nice block, as what we saw here, no? Marlo Aquino blocking that shot of Bong Hawkins, it draws the same reaction as a slam dunk.
At pumapalakpak din ng Gordon's Gin fans kapag tinatawagan ng offensive foul si Jojo Lastimosa. Pangatlong foul na yan. Pito Herencio.
Kick out situation.
Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Hizon. Follow up. Wala pa rin. At mauubusan na ng oras ang Gordon's Gin. Subalit, abante pa rin po ang Alaska Milk ng 11 puntos. At the half, our score, Alaska 48, Gordon's Gin 37. Milkman at si Sonny Jaworski has now checked into the ball game. Unang pagpasok ng playing coach ng Gordon's Gins. Vince Hizon. Tumira sa labas. Jaworski. Wala.
Brian Punsalan doubling off Robert Jaworski. And yan ang ginagamit ni Coach Tinko na basic weapon to stop Marlo Aquino. The double team and that they're using the man, the defensive player of probably the worst scorer of the other team. Aquino finally getting the 2 points in transition.
6 na puntos si Marlo Aquino, 2 puntos kada quarter so far. Ang kanyang performance way below his average dito sa All-Filipino Cup. Samantala, Bong Hawkins getting a triple B. And Alaska continues to hum sa kanilang opensa. Aquino, back-to-back baskets para kay Marlo.
And taking it from the outside. That time his back was not to the basket, facing the basket, taking the jump shot, using the glass.
53-41 ang ating pong score. 12 ang abante ng Alaska Milk.
Partner leading the charge here for Alaska, Johnny Abarientos with 16 points in the first half. Si Jaworski yata ang tatawagan.
Ito. We've had 3 deadlocks so far. Ang huli po ay 14. Samantala, Bong Hawkins challenges Aquino. May foul na tinawag sa pagpasok ni Bong Hawkins.
And a good pick set up by
Bong Hawkins, on the other hand, continues to struggle from the line. 3 misses already from the free throw line. He makes the second one on this trip. At abante po ng 13 ang Alaska Milk.
Robert Jaworski has 2 long-range bombers on the court for Gordon's Gins. Si Hizon at saka si Kido Herencio.
Parang mabagal ang galaw nitong Gordon's
Yes.
Gins. Nasa, kumbaga, LP ito ng araw. Sa 33 mode yung 45. Mintis na naman yung tira ni Sonny Jaworski.
Actually, Brian Punsalan is giving Jaworski the shot. That's 2 attempts now for the Big J.
Drop pass ni Lastimosa, tumama sa paa ni Brian Punsalan. A turnover laban sa Alaska Milk. It's still a 13-point ball game. Tandaan po natin ang Gordon's Gin protecting a 3-game winning streak. Samantala ng Alaska trying to come off a 2-game losing streak as well. Herencio, triple B, offline.
Good boxing out by Alaska. Hindi nakapasok ito si Marlo Aquino for the possible offensive rebound.
11 rebound na ito si Bong Hawkins. 10 coming off the defensive glass in addition to his 10 points. Lastimosa on the other hand with 13 markers. Abarientos, fall away, makes it. Another offensive rebound by Pochwinyo this time. Nakita natin sa stat sheet yan natin pinito na abante ang Alaska dyan.
Sa rebound department, yes. Parang kulang sa intensity yung Gordon's Gin so far, ha?
Oo.
Although itong Gordon's Gin, in a split second can explode. You've seen that in the game against Papola. They were down by 10 in the 4th period. Sila pa nanalo by 14 in the end.
Tatawagan ng illegal defense.
And bring Alaska to 4 straight championships, counting the 3rd conference of 1995.
15 seconds sa shot clock ng Gordon's Gin. Harencio, triple V sa corner. Yes! Dito Harencio, pang-apat na triple V. Lahat ng puntos niya nagmula sa 3-point area. 12 points in the ball game at natapyas ang abante ng Alaska sa 10. 54-44. Hawkins, hinamon si Locsin, inilabas kay Uino. Lastimosa, he takes a jumper. Oh, it will count! May kasama pang foul and Jojo Lastimosa is on fire.
Here's a rare 4-point play opportunity for George Lastimosa on the foul by Hison. Panurin po natin uli. A little too late on the part of Hison to try to stop that basket. Yun, pumasok.
Alam mo, sinasagot ng Alaska, kinito ang bawat itapon ng Gordon's Gin ngayong hapon na to.
And more.
And more. Lastimosa already with 16 points. Ang average po niya in his first 3 games, only 13.7. But tonight, or this afternoon,
What is at stake here is the pride of Alaska. At alam nila that Gordon's is undefeated. If Alaska wants to get back in the groove, sabi nila, what better way than beat the only undefeated team in the league. Which is the reason why Alaska is playing, I think, with a lot more motivation and intensity than Gordon's Gin at this stage.
Traveling ang tinawag ito sa lang. Good call. Medyo
Easy access to the basket. Ito na naman ang double team ni Bryant.
3-point shot na naman. Harencio Mintes. Rebound nakuha ni Bong Hawkins. Siya na rin nagdadala ng bola. Lob pass. Uy, binato na lamang ni Pochuino. Nakakuha pa ng foul mula kay Vince Season. At yan ang tinatawag na swerte.
Yeah.
Tanda natin itong Alaska. Halos hinakot lahat ng awards last year. Pochuino was the most improved player of 1996. And he makes both free throws. And don't look now. It's now a 16-point lead para sa Alaska Met. Illegal D na naman ang tatawag lamang sa Alaska at yan ay pangalawang bayan. Locsin, short stab and gets the basket. So a 3-point play on the reverse. At ang abante po ng Alaska natapyas sa 13, 60-47. 7:15 remaining in the third quarter. Punsalan, laban kay Jaworski. Turn around. Natapik kay Jaworski at tatawagan ng foul si Sunny Jaworski.
Punsalan, I think, now has the green light to attack the defense of Robert Jaworski. Big height advantage of Punsalan over Jaworski.
Diyan si Dudut, sabi niya, siguro kung pwede sabihin, Dad, ako na lang.
Hindi, sabi ni Dudut, Dad, hindi naman talaga foul yun eh.
Oo. Yun ang tinuro mo sa akin eh. Sure, pero dito sa PBA, medyo naantala ang kanyang ikang pagsikat sapagkat
Ito si Brian Punsalan, I think, is a role player.
Oo.
And he might be able to blossom here with Alaska because this is a team that is used to giving and defining roles for its players.
Punsalan on the break. Oh, masyadong malakas. Masyadong kinabahan. Locsin, pinihitan si Bong Hawkins and Noli Locsin now beginning to get his scoring act together. At ang abante po ng Alaska Met down to 11 points, 6:44 ang nalalabi sa ating third quarter. Hawkins, no good. Rebound. Marlo Aquino at si Sunny Jaworski at subalit tumawag ng foul si referee Bernarte mula sa labas.
Partner, pinagalitan ni Tim Cole si Bong Hawkins for taking that outside shot. Sabi niya, I need to get ball rotation and the best possible shot.
Well, that's not also the shot you want. Naghahabol ka.
Eh kung nagalit si Tim Cole, palagay ko, nagalit si Jaworski din.
Kaya naglalaro siya eh.
Too many outside shots.
Locsin ngayon. Forward pass. Harencio, laban kay Lastimosa. Umangat. Jumper off the glass. Wala. Tapik ni Locsin. And it's handled last.
There's still a whole quarter left to go at 5:56 in this period.
Alam natin ang finishing kick ng dalawang kupunan na to. Hindi ka nga ubusan ito hanggang kaduluduluhan. Lastimosa, 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Tumingin sa taas. 5 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Inilabas kay Hawkins. Bailout shot. Makes it. Humihingi ng foul si Coach Tim Cone. No foul.